I'm Kavya, and this is End of Beginning by Joe. Just one more tear to cry, one teardrop from my eye. You better save it for the middle of the night, when things are black and white. Enter troubadour, remember 24. And when I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. Another version of me, I was in it. I went goodbye to the end of beginning. The song has started now, and you're just finding out. Now isn't that a laugh? A major sacrifice, we're clueless at the time. And to Caroline, just trust me,